What's up guys, I'm Michelle and today we're gonna be making a fun twist on the baked potato with bacon wrapped stuffed baked potato. Doesn't really get much better than that. Let's get to it. What we're gonna do is start with the good old russet potato. I've already washed them and poked holes in them. I'm gonna wrap them in foil, get them on the preheated grill, super hot, it's at 400. I have a pellet grill, which cooks differently than a conventional gas grill. Let's wrap them and get them on the grill and get them soft and ready for this cheesy goodness. All right guys, let's get working on that cheesy mixture. I grated some cheddar. I know I say it all the time, but cheddar does make it better. And we're gonna add in some green onions and some cream cheese at room temp, just like that. And we're gonna smash it up together. I honestly don't even wanna use a spoon. I wanna use my hand, but I'm trying to keep it classy here. So we're gonna mix this all together until it's fully combined. And then once our potatoes are done, we're gonna stuff them. I think the potatoes are done. Let's get them off the grill and sliced up and ready for the cheesy goodness. All right, I just took some potatoes off the grill. I'm gonna slice them right down the middle. They're hot, I didn't let them cool. And what you could do is do a little crosshatch in here, which will make it easy for you to scoop it out, because we're gonna scoop out the inside and we're gonna fill it with that delicious cream cheese, cheddar, green onion, potatoes. They are done and I scooped them out, super easy. We're going to stuff them with our mixture gently. Your fingers might get dirty, I'm just gonna tell you. So we're just gonna stuff them as so. This is going to be so delicious. Then after we stuff these babies, we are going to be wrapping them in bacon. I mean, could it get any better? I don't think so. I gotta say, usually russet potatoes are a lot bigger than mine, but this is all they had at the store, so I gotta work with what I got. Usually if they're bigger, they're a lot easier to work with. I don't want these little potatoes to fall apart, but they are gonna be just as delicious, I'll tell you that. We are going to wrap it in bacon as so. You can wrap it triple times if you'd like. I think one slice of bacon is gonna be good for me. And then we're gonna get them on the grill. Let's get these beauties off the grill. They look super crispy and beyond delicious. You know I can't wait to do a taste test. Let's dig in. I'm gonna pick the one that looks the best because that's how I do it. I could have waited until it cooled down a little bit, but boy is this killer. I don't think I will ever do a baked potato any other way. Cheers. So good. I love the flavor from the green onions and the bacon. You gotta taste the bacon throughout the whole potato, even if you do not have bacon with it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm Michelle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what I should grill next.